So we have an afternoon walk here. So we're gonna check that road that they fixed. It's on the way to the school here in Kabulihan. So that road before, it's very rough to ride a motorcycle. May hapon. So people here is getting some water from the creek. So we're gonna check out that road there. So before, when I was a kid, I was been going to that place there, and the road is very rough. Daddy na sa mama. Ah! The dog. It scared me, guys. There's a lot of puppy in here in the neighborhood, and I'm scared that they're gonna bite us. Oh, go! That dog is really... Asa taagi tayo? Una tayo. Asa man iro?
Che! Asa man ka? Lagi man diri agaan ang tam... Nagagandaan lang sa lapan.
Sorry about that, because this dog over there, but it's just so very active this afternoon. Very hyper. So Virgil go with us, and Dominga and Sofia, and also my mama and my friend Bastion. So one of our neighbor here, I saw it on the Facebook, on her post. She's riding her motorcycle on that road, so we're gonna check it out. So it be a nice place also that we can go walking, another place that we can go walking. It's not really far from our place,
Maasa na taagi.
maybe 10 minutes. Ika, asa man ang kuan? So gonna cross the street here. So I'm not wearing some shoes, so that's why we're going this.
Oh, si Nanay Lina, mauli.
Gipugos sa imo mingga. Gipugos sa imo mama pare. So my mom will gonna
Bye-bye na.
go back to the house because she's a little bit tired this afternoon. So maybe next time she gonna go with us.
Anak ko no, so bad. Ambak toy, ambak. No,
I thought it will
brighta iro.
rain this afternoon because
Brighta kay.
dark clouds, but it's just clear up now. And we hear also some thunder in the other side.
Baligya. Oh, sa balon sa nima. Dili. Baligya. Nasa bala. Badminton ta. Sila magpahulang badminton.
So that's nice, guys, that they fixed that road there so that some of the people here in our community, especially they have some students, they can take their kids there on that new road instead of going to the creek all the time, because the students can't go to the school sometimes because of the big flood. They need to cross the creek because that road there at the top, the mountain is really rough that time. So that's good thing also that they fix that road so that kids are more safety from the flood. So I'm gonna switch my camera to the other side. Wash your feet, Virgin.
ang bridge kani dakita.
So this is the bridge here. Going to the other side.
Pwede na akong gidamguhon. Ang kana daw kay na buslot daw na. Nahulog daw ko sa ubo.
So this dog here is very hyper this afternoon.
Ada anak niya nagkapyot. Ay, nagkapyot. Nahulog daw ko. Naanak ko sa baha. Nabaha ka daw. Hala. Kadagko sa iro. pa. Kadako sa iro. Naga, ganda. Pulis dog. Oh, pulis dog, Jill. Pulis dog. Hot dog. Butter
So,
plus fly. Mama!
sa concrete road na on this side here, guys.
Ang iro. Wala. Have a mango in hand.
Mountains. So they cut the sugar cane here already. Oh, there's a lot of mango on there. Mango.
Nangaata krang mangga. Siguro na.
That's full gel water.
Yeah. Dili minit ba ko padulog di ato.
May hapon.
Nagbike ra ba ning kuan dire pa.
May hapon te.
So lang pod bit kuan.
So isa na. This is part of our barangay. This place here also. Lani ka day lorong na day? Nga?
Man.
Kana.
Pandam tagbato.
So this is on the way to the church also. Our church here in our barangay.
Sini uli. Uli na dire pa daw. Oh, dali ready ay.
The jackfruit, guys. Look at this jackfruit here.
Dragon fruit.
Jackfruit. That's big jackfruit in there. Wow, many oh. It's many jackfruit.
Na, wala bunga dragon fruit.
The dragon fruit.
Na dragon fruit. Yan naman.
Pero kung nagbalag ka sa lips.
Ako kay ang
Manggod.
ang kuan ako sa dragon fruit kay hurag kapayas.
Kami sa basabog na.
Simento tuon pa diha.
Tong shirt mo murag lain lagi. Mo gani guniti gani kay. Magmutos ka.
So this one over here, this is the one they fixed that road
Ato na ko kala
on the way to the school here in Kabulihan. So this is the start where they fix the road. So maybe soon or later they gonna cement this road here.
ang kalsada diha.
Hello?
Kasi mawala na na. Mawala na na. Ana ara na.
Diha ra na dai, diha maagi ang mga dagkong truck ba para di magubang sa diha.
Oo, dito.
Tama.
But the problem if they not cement this soon, when started to rain, it will be very muddy in here. So that's the church there, guys. That's our church there. Church or chapel. It's chapel because it's small. Oh, they put their cows there on that house. Wow.
Oo.
Aman.
Inog man na.
Asa ba?
Unsa na mural? Mural linog ko.
Unsa ni day? Don't touch it, George. Ha? Sweeties. Unsa na siya?
Dili
Kaon eh.
Look at this, guys.
Mo lagi purga ni mama nimo, ang sa to gihampol ni mama daw nimo pagamay mo.
I thought this is a fruit, but this is not
Ingon sila mama pulog daw
edible.
eh.
Pero may pula na.
No, don't touch it, Virgie, because maybe it's poisonous.
Oo, mapulog di buta na.
Said you can color it with your hair. The seed, look at that guys.
Dili
Iya,
man.
oh. Ha?
Dili.
Di ana ba ana ah.
Fake
Hindi na siya
news.
makahilo dahil.
Fake news.
There's a seeds
Iba
there
sulam
inside.
mapulog mo gyud na sa kanang
There's a seeds inside.
Fake news man ni ma, fake news.
Naku, ano ni pula. The color of Pia's finger. Look at that guys. Turns to red.
Fake news. Ay, fake news. Fake news.
Kami ko rambutan.
Sa una, abi galing ako.
Mana kaya?
Kita yang
Really hard.
Sa rambutan pa na, hurot tani na.
Di ana sukad ta ana dagan padungad to.
kapol.
Mintang nagkuan ko. Lain na, mudagan magsinilas. Oy. Sugar cane.
Kuana sa patus basa.
Nakatuman ang kapaparamel nga. Wala kapaparamel og buok sa ato.
Samot na og sa minto na ni.
So, look at this guys. It'd be nice if it's all cement.
Nagagandahan lang dito pa.
Nanata diri ba si mama pas sa.
Asa na puto ma?
Samot ni tungason.
Kaon.
Tungason na bitaw na eh. Di ba si nanay.
Virgil, I'm doing the video.
Naka nice.
So it's more safety here because as you can see there's some houses. So this is my life before guys. When there's a flood down there, we go this mountain here and it's so rough before. And there's a creek over there at the bottom. That's where we always walk before because this road here, there's no way that you can go to the school. But some of the people here in our community, they try to make a way going to that school. So right now, as you can see, they fix this road here so that the other barangay can go on this way, especially when there's a flood down there. Because you know, we don't know that there's an emergency. It's hard to pass to that creek, especially when it's flooding. So they make a way, another way, so that people to the other barangay, that there's two barangays. After our barangay, there's two barangay. So they are very happy because in case of emergency, they can pass this road now. Oh, where they at? They're doing selfie guys. My friend and my sister, they're do
This is
picture taking.
to jog, mommy, right? Because
Yeah.
it's so
Gorgeous here. It's nice to jog here lang ga. To walk. So I'm not wearing my shoes, my walking shoes.
we are like in Don Salvador.
Yeah. So my husband never been on this area here since he's living here in our barangay. He not been on this area here.
Small water.
Oh, there's a lot of mango tree on the bottom there. Mountains are turning brown. So we're still walking, guys. So there's a lot of rocks there at the top. I've been sweating now.
Gold, baby, gold. What's the harin mo? Gold.
Saan man lagi trabaho dugay na dahil?
Uy!
Lago baklay ra lagi ka. Ikaw sa uli dai.
So it's nice on here. Ah, diri, mao na tong skulahan din no, patubang.
Oh.
Wow. You know what? That if you not go to the creek there, it's so only short distance if you go this way because it takes a few more minutes compared here in the mountains because you need to cross the creek and you need to take your time because some of the stones are very slippery, and over here in the mountains you can walk very fast, so it saves a lot of time from the people here in our community and to the other barangay.
Ay mo namo din gitabuan na ni kuan Ramil.
This has been playing with that wheel there.
Kay ani ta bang sa sapa. Muhag bato. Asila? Dili ra nagimo.
Gani. Aray may nga agyan.
Dool naman kaayo day.
Eskwela?
Doon mag-jogging, babalik-balik.
Eskwela kay. Ang padong eskwelahan kay magsakay ra.
Oh, gamot na masaminto. Di man ang idagaw din magubas sa pato.
Sa una mo ba? Mama.
Nalangka to.
Di ba daan na?
Pareha raman sa may buntod.
Mapando.
Guys,
Sa dili nga agi dol basta. Kuan kapuyan ni sa sapa.
nari diri sa una.
Gamay man ning agianan diyan.
Oh, gamay
Ning butar ta day ba diri ka agi.
Coconut tree, guys.
Hala, lami kay na ay iya.
So this multi-cab here, the truck can go now on this side here instead of going at the creek. So it's easy for them.
Ikaw ang sigaw ang puso ko. Nari mo ba naman ito? Darama ay. Ma, katong bridge. Tao na.
Oo, mo din kataya no. Gianan.
So before, this is a bridge here, but they take it out because they gonna cement. They gonna flatten. They make it more wider. Ga video. People there in the other barangay, guys. Nagunsa mo diyan, naglinga likin. May na kay kwarta naman na. Gan. Agirame. Ga kuan ga walking ba para ang panington. Girame. They are very friendly here. The people are the other barangay, they are very friendly. Nikapoy na mo.
Oh,
So they are tired now.
abot na to mga.
Look at that beautiful mountains there. Birds, I think the insect bite you there, the back of your ear. The
Don't fear.
mosquito bite you. So it's a lot of improvement now in this place here. Since when I was a kid, this is really a jungle here. This place here, and there's the houses also here is very few only, and now there are many houses on here. There's a lot of improvement on this place, guys. Saman. Chill.
Jukragan. Oh, malawaran. Oh.
Abot ta dito dai.
Mira-ari ta balik ra ta mingga kay kuan na. So over there at the back of that acacia tree,
My friend.
there's a school there. It's an elementary school. So
Diri ta ko to.
yeah. So we're just walk over here because it's getting dark now and it's almost 5:30 in the afternoon and we need to head it back home. So maybe In my next video, we're gonna go there over there at the school and to the other barangay.
Why, mommy?
Yeah, because it's getting dark now, Virgil. We don't bring some flashlight.
Oh, 5 na rin ba?
I mean, Virgil wants to walk more, but we need to walk more on the way home.
Dagan jail. Dagan lang mo pinagin para panimutan ka naman.
There's sinaguilas here. Sinaguilas fruit. We have this tree here. That's a sinaguilas fruit there, the one we eat
Anay ta dyan.
yesterday. And also my husband loves that fruit.
Aray, Jen. Dagan kigiro.
Ay, dagan ba kilo?
Asa man ang gatong kuan? Ay dire lakatya. Dire ra da ilaha doon ra di ay. Malipot.
Feel na ko, hinakig signal dire. Ang
Some
fiber ante
house
kusog
here.
na kaayo. Sana tertera karon. Abot na 200.
The walking.
Bayad biya kurinte.
Agilan me.
Ayan, bayad.
Oh. Ma. Ako na, ako yung pagtanas tapos ako na pwede.
Balik rami dayon kay ngiob na. nalangalang man sa oras. Ato pa tamig buske. Ha? Ito na lang. Kaya magdigamo pa mi dito. Indot dito sa kuan ba? Buske mi ga kay tawhay ra pod kay daghan man tog kahoy.
Dagan pa ka. Dagan kay kog dako dalaan na. Nagamupiya.
Hmm.
Nakaling short ka. Naay ko an. Bati nadagan ko an. Pan. Ano, dagan madagag. Ay pag ginayot good. Dagan na.
Sige. Run Virgil, run. Run. Give it to
Padulhog.
Yo, give to auntie the bottle. Come. Come. Go with Pia.
Hoy, ayaw lapit. Munitig ka ako.
Dagan mo piya, dagan mo Virgil. Lumaday mo ba?
Virgil wants to run.
Lumaday. Bukupon iro.
Virgil, look at the dog.
Nang iro ni Goku din.
Nakuha nag-improvement eh. I think that's all for today's video, guys. It's getting dark in here. So I really do appreciate all of you for always watching my channel, and thank you so much for the love and support. So see you on my next video.